Good morning and thanks for tuning in to the WRRD News. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. Please pause for a minute of silence. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your chest.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
In Rolling Ridge News, meals can be picked up at Rolling Ridge every day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So come down to the Ridge and get your breakfast and lunch. Don't forget to check out Miss Shay's Schoology page. Curbside pickup and book bus start on Monday. You don't want to miss out. So let's make sure you check out her Schoology page and check out some library books. Also, are you a girl? Are you in third grade, fourth grade, or fifth grade? We are looking for participants to participate in a virtual Girls on the Run. So ask your teacher about a registration form. We're supposed to be teachers sending registration forms home to parents. So if you're a girl in third, fourth, or fifth grade and interested in Girls on the Run, ask your teacher. The weather today is supposed to be cloudy, high of 77 and a low of 57. Perfect weather to go out for a walk. Today is Thankful Thursday. I'm very, very thankful for my family. I've got lots of kids, lots of sisters, lots of nieces and nephews, and I love everything about them. So I'm very thankful for my family. What are you thankful for? And today's question comes from Madeline in Miss Gully's class. She asks, what do you like to play at home, Miss Weber? Well, just like I said, I love my family and I love my kids, so we play a lot of card games together at home. We love board games, we love cards, we like going outside and riding bikes, so many things to play. What do you like to play at home? So that ends our news show for this morning. Let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, Bully Free starts with me. We're champs, we're family, we choose to spread positivity. Go out and have a great day. Bye.